right for 3 yards to the 36-yard line. Hope makes the stop.
Well, you can see that the Ravens, and I think justifiably so now, are going to try and establish a run that they could not establish in the first half. And you say, why? You're playing against a
Field goal attempt.
Lamar Woodley coming right around the edge here. Again, a tight end and a back trying to block one of the premier pass rushers in the game. But we have seen so far what the Ravens' plan has been is they are trying to take away James Harrison, and they're taking some chances with Lamar Woodley.
The defendant signed a year ago, and he won the game in overtime here between these two teams. 24-yard attempt. Took the hold. And the lead goes back to 7. With 7:13 remaining in the third quarter, Baltimore 10, Pittsburgh 3.
We put it through over 5,000 quality tests, so it'll stand up to just about anything. The Nissan Altima. Innovation that lasts. Innovation for all.
It's 0% APR for 60 months or a $199 lease for 39 months. At Wendy's, we start with a whole russet potato. Naturally, we slice it, then sprinkle it with sea salt and serve it hot and crispy for a taste that's as real as it gets. Wendy's new natural cut fries with sea salt.
Rated M for mature.